So you want to come visit Iran in the future. There's so much information online that you can easily plan out your entire trip. But you don't want to use public crowded transportation such as a bus or a taxi. So what do? My name is Negar from Tap Persia, and I'm going to show you how to use Uber in Iran. Well, not exactly Uber, but we have Snapp. Snapp is a ride-sharing company headquartered in Tehran, and it is used by tens of millions of Iranians every single day. Just like Uber, Snapp is a sleek application to help you get around the city with just a few clicks. The only catch is that you do have to have an Iranian SIM card in order to activate your Snapp account. But don't worry, I'll show you several ways you can get one. So in this video, we are going to show you how to get an Iranian SIM card, how to install and set up the application, how to use the app, how to find the driver, how to pay and rate the driver, and finally, how to use other Snapp features. Let's go explore the city. So the first thing you have to do is to get an Iranian SIM card. There are only two reputable operators in Iran, which are Hamrah Awwal and Irancell. They both have great coverage throughout Iran. However, Irancell works best in urban areas, while Hamrah Awwal is better for rural areas. Depending on the type of adventures you want to have in Iran, you can choose one of them. You can buy your SIM card in the airport, or you can order it before you get to Iran and get it upon your arrival. Just pop in the SIM card and follow the instructions, and you're ready to explore Iran. Look at the link in the description for more information. Now it's time to download and set up the Snapp application. So you're going to go to www.snapp.ir, Snapp with two P's actually. And remember, most official Iranian websites end in IR, not .com. And unfortunately, 99% of Snapp users are Iranian, so the website is in Persian. But it's completely okay because I'm going to show you how to navigate it. If you have an Android phone, you can just download the app directly from Google Play or from its Iranian counterpart, which is Bazaar. And if you're using an iOS device, you will have to download the application directly from the website, as you can see. After you downloaded the app and it's all finished, you can open and you will get to a welcome page. Make sure to change language to English. You can see it right over there. And then you have to put your number. And after that, a code is going to come to your phone as a text message. And you're all set. You can use all the services of a Snapp, which is not only limited to transportation. But there's a green bar at the top of the application that is only for transportation. You can get a car or a bike, or you can even get a van for moving stuff and all that, but we are going to need the car one. Now let's go over to how to actually use the application. Make sure that your location is turned on because it's going to need that. And after that, you have to just choose the exact location of where you are, set the origin, and then, for example, here we're going to go to Nakhchivan Square, and you can just set your destination and search it in the map. It's really easy and it's really user-friendly actually. After you selected your destination, you can see how much it's going to cost. You can see a couple icons for your ride down here, but keep it on Snapp Eco. And click on ride options for some extra options, such as adding a second destination, making your driver wait for a bit longer, or even making your ride a round trip. Go ahead and click on request Snapp Eco, and now you just wait for the driver to accept the request. Wow, that was quick. Driver is on the way, so let's go. The next important detail is how to actually find a driver. In order to make sure you're getting in the right car, you can usually go off of the driver's picture. But the most guaranteed way to confirm that you're getting in the right car is to check the last 3 digits of the license plate number. The last 3 digits of Iranian plate numbers are usually consistent of Iranian numbers. So quickly, I'm going to tell you what are these numbers. They are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 8 9. I know this was real quick, but pause the video and take a screenshot, and you can also look at the description for more information. Once you check the 3 last digit numbers, you can hop in the car. Come on. Let's say you are on your way and you suddenly change your mind or have to make a stop on the way. You can easily, even after you got on your ride, add a second destination or more wait time. And finally, we are going to talk about how to pay and how to rate the driver. If you made any changes to the settings of your ride, they will show the final payment of your ride. So pay the driver using cash, and there you're all set. You can click on the link in the description for more information, and don't forget to subscribe if you're looking for more videos about Iran. So here we are at our destination. After your trip is finished, there comes a new page that you can rate your trip, rate to the driver and rate the service. In case you had any problems with the driver or you left something in the car or anything else, you can just call the customer service number here and it will be all right and they will take care of it. Lastly, we're going to talk a little bit about other services that Snapp offers. Click on the home page to see Snapp's other options. Just keep in mind that you are going to need an Iranian debit card for these other services. Also, these other services, unfortunately, are all in Farsi. So I'm just going to tell you what you can use, but you will have to have a local help to help you if you want more details, which is fine since Iranians are super friendly and they are willing to help the travelers. The ones I recommend are the food and the doctor option. Click on the food section to see a list of the restaurants and meals in your area. Although I recommend asking the locals about the best places to eat, but Snapp Food give you quick and easy options for when you're tired to get out and you can just have your food at the place you're staying. And then there's Snapp's latest addition, which is Snapp Doctor. Here you can request a doctor, consultation, or even request a corona antibody or PCR test. Almost all Iranian doctors can speak English, so you won't have any problems. And medical care is always a few clicks away with this option. So there you have. This was the complete guide on how to use Snapp here in Iran. In order to summarize, we talked about how to get an Iranian SIM card because you're going to need that in order to activate your Snapp account, how to install and set up the application, how to use the application, how to find the driver, how to pay the driver and rate it after the ride is finished. And also we talked about other Snapp features. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to know more about Iranian culture. Hope to see you in Iran very soon.